Hello, this is my final project for our Principles of Embedded Systems course. So what I did here was I built a robot where I could send commands over Bluetooth to my robot, which drives these motors, and it will drive it around here. It has three wheels here, two wheels in front, one wheel in the back. The two wheels in front have the motor. So how this works at a high level is I'm going to send a commands over this app on my phone, which goes to this Bluetooth module here. It's gonna store it in a CB5 buffer and use USART to send it over to the STM32, and the STM32 will then drive the motors through this motor controller based on the commands I send it. Furthermore, this motor controller is powered by this battery pack here, and the STM32 is powered by this USB power supply here. I will now show myself driving the robot with the app. The app I'm using is this Bluetooth car app. So you can see there's joysticks here, and I'm going to move this joysticks to move my robot. I've already connected it over Bluetooth. So here we go. You can use both joysticks at the same time, and you see the robot will be moving right there. Oops. So let me move it around. Just moving in circles here. And you can do this indefinitely. Have as much fun as you want with it. So one other thing I want to show you is I added in a fault tolerance watchdog timer. So what that will do is that the watchdog timer will look for commands, and if a command hasn't been sent to the robot within 2 seconds, then it will just shut off the motors there. So what happened was I sent a command in the past, W. My robot also takes in letter commands like WASD besides this joystick controller to control the PWMs on the motor controller. So what I did was I sent a W, and then my phone shut up, disconnected, and the robot just kept moving on and on and on forth, and so that's why I put in the watchdog timer for the fault tolerance there, and I will show you that right now. I'm gonna send in a W over my phone using another app, and because I've only sent in that command, after 2 seconds the robot should stop moving. Move this right here, and then I'm going to connect it and then send in a W. Send in another W. It's going to move, and then you see it stopped because another command hasn't been coming in. That's the end of my demo. Thank you for watching, and have a great summer, guys.